Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am super excited to finally get my hands on my very first Bang & Olufsen's speakers. Now these are a portable version, they're called Beosound. So if you guys have seen the other unboxings of mine like the H95, so all their headphones are Beoplay, B-E-O-P-L-A-Y Play, Beoplay. So Beoplay H95, Beoplay this, Beoplay that, and this is Beosound. Okay, without further ado, let's get this started. I'm super excited. By the way, hang in there guys to the end of the video. I've got a secret unboxing what I got with this. So I got a secret gift. I'll want to share it with you guys. So this cost me nearly $3,000 Aussie. It's really heavy and that's what it looks like from the sides. I like the Apple-esque features of this. It just feels like it's not overdoing it. It's very white everywhere except for the bottom. You've got the serial number and everything, and you have the what it is and all this, and you've got this little cutout which looks really weird. When I opened it up, you've got the charger, so Aussie charger, so you can charge it in Australia and power it. So that sits there. Let's look at the unboxing. I've never unboxed any of this or watched any of the unboxings, so I was really looking forward to seeing what they have to offer. Okay, so put this right back in there, nice and neat. So far so good. I like the box, not too much information, and it's very nice, very white, you know, and I like the box so far. So let's give this a turn around. Sorry for the camera shake, not the best table I've got here. Okay, sliding it open, bang. Okay, you don't get much in here. That's just the really bright white box. That's the A5, Beoplay A5 it's called. Let's put this aside for a second. Very heavy. I don't know how portable that'll be. So that's the charging brick. And I don't know why they had the cutout for this. Like you can pick it up from, maybe because they make it everywhere and then when they're about to ship it off, they just put those in from the back. So if it's going to Australia, they send it in that, and if it's going in something else. So this is very Apple-esque as well. So it's got braided cabling. It's got USB-C to USB-C. Let me know in the comments below, who did the braiding first? Did Apple do it or did Beoplay do it first? So that's the charger anyways. I've got a USB-C charger. I'm not going to bother opening all this up. Let's get into the... Wow, look at this thing, man. Super heavy, super quality, super exciting. Okay, so if you look at it, it's got two little tapes here which is holding this thing from being opened. Okay, it's damaging it a tiny bit. Yeah, it's damaged the plastic a bit. If you guys are new to the channel, I like to try and keep everything as is without any damage. So I think we can slide it out now. Yep. Alright, awesome. So you've got some booklets, as they all do these days, even though these days you don't really need booklets. So just important stuff that you have to read up on. And other than that, you don't have anything else. You've got some gels and stuff in there to keep it dry from moisture, I think. That's about it. Nothing too fancy there. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. So those were the gels in there. They keep popping out. Alright, let's look at this guy. So it's got a bit of a cover as well on it to stop it from getting damaged. It's got a very nice aluminium handle, okay, which should be really sturdy because this thing is like heavy as. Alright, so let's put this aside again. Let's give this an open without damaging the thing around it. Nope, it's gonna get damaged. Okay, that got damaged marvelously. Wow, all right. Look at that, guys. This is actually like dots, and it's got gaps in there. That's where the sound is gonna come from. It's really, really well made. Look at that. Look at the detail on there. All of these dots are separated, you know, and being held by little things in there. Okay, that's super cool, isn't it? All right, let's give this an open over here. That's it. That's out of the way. That's basically it, guys. Okay, this part is very silicony, okay, and yeah, it's very silicon. Okay, I thought this would be like really normal. Okay, so you've got a mic button here to turn off the mic completely if you don't want it, USB-C charger, and that's basically it. You don't have any more cabling for this thing, and it's really heavy. And look at the build quality though, guys. Look at everything. Look at the shine. This is again siliconized as well. I really like it. Look at that. Look at this. Look at the little sign here. How good is that? How well is it done? Look at all this. Alright, let's give it a turn on. See if I can turn it on without having to do anything. Probably need a manual for that. Or it's probably dead. Okay, I've got a MacBook Pro charger. Let's plug it in. It's not doing anything. Oh, yep. Alright, so we've got a blinking light over here. Alright, let's give it an on. Is it gonna turn on? No, maybe it's really dead. Nope, doesn't want to turn on. Alright, we'll leave it on charge and see how we go with this over here. Alright, so as promised, I promised you guys that I got a bit of a gift from them. Alright, now they had a bit of a promotion on this one. So they were like, if you buy this, they were going to give a gift, but it had to be this color. There's two other variants of this, which I'll put on the side for you guys to be able to see. But this is the one that they were going to give it with. The other ones had interesting coloring to it, but this one is the one that they chose for that. Okay, now I'm going to struggle trying to fit all of this in. So let's get these speakers out of the screen so they can just sit there and charge. Okay, so this is the gift, okay? I'm opening it up with you guys for the first time. I know what it is. You guys can take a guess and comment below before I opened it and let me know what it is, what they've sent me. Okay, you might have seen the labeling and might have guessed already what it is. So comment below, and comment below what do you think about that. Like I feel like the speakers, the grill was really impressive. It was really cool, really well done. It's different on the photos compared to here, being here. Like look at that, that just goes around it, you know, the amount of work that was done in that. And they all have tiny little gaps in there to let the sound come out. But anyways, so have you guys guessed yet what it is and what company it is? Guess what it is and also what the company is. So that smelled good. That smells like that old sort of leather, but like new, like old. What I mean is like old-fashioned leather. You know, before they went vegan with everything, and you know, like cows are dying. Can we use the leather for something? Yeah, because it's sustainable. A lot better than the vegan stuff that we put in cars these days. Leather is going to last forever. And it's getting thrown anyways. So that's open. I don't know if you guys have seen the tag yet, but if you haven't, please do go comment below. Let's see if you guys can guess what it is. Alright, Still hiding it from you guys, so let's open this up. Alright, I think you guys have seen it by now. I think this is becoming fast an unboxing of the bag rather than the speakers. Okay, the first one came off nice and easily, but this one, oh yeah, there you go. Alright, see that? Okay, so I got a free bag from Boss. Okay, I don't know how much it's worth, doesn't tell me the price, but it's made of leather. Look at the work on that. What do you guys think about this? It's just a laptop bag, I think, just for everything. And I love it how it's like really minimalistic. I like things from Boss that it's not too like in your face that, oh, it's Boss. Here's 20 different things that are going to tell you that it's Boss, you know? It's just a normal bag. Okay, so it's got a strap for it as well. Okay, what else? Are you guys excited? Are you guys interested in me showing you this? Or are you guys thinking, why is he showing us that? So there's a dust bag with it as well. You get a dust bag with the Boss thing. So you can leave it in the dust bag when it's not being used. Stop it from getting too dusty. Let's open this up as well. Okay, so that's opened. Okay, look at this. Nice, very nice. Okay, just one side. Oh, no, Boss as well on here as well. Okay, put it up here. I like the bag. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about the strap? I would have personally liked it to be black, but they've done that. But anyways, not on me. Okay, so if you're still with me, great. So I can see if we can turn this bad boy back on. So let's put this on. Okay, that looks like it's turned off. Okay, or is it on? Bluetooth? I think I just turned it off. It's on now. I'm going to put it in Bluetooth. Oh, there you go. All right, so it's working. Great. So it's charged enough to turn it back on, and that's off. Fantastic. All right, let's try and put this in pairing mode and see if this will come up. So it comes up immediately. All right, fantastic. That's great to see. Let's see if it connects. It looks like it's connected. Yep, it's connected. All right, let's go into the Beo Play thing. Can't find the app. Okay, so that's the app. It's still saying that color. Oh, that's my other headphones. Those are my H9. Let me know if you guys want a 1.5 year review of that. I think I've done a review of that. I might not have. So, okay, so nearby, here we go, connecting to it. It's going to connect to the product. Remember Wi-Fi, use this Wi-Fi. Yep. So I'll just connect it to my Wi-Fi. Okay, so it's connecting now to the Wi-Fi. So it actually uses the app to go and connect to the Wi-Fi, and it's checking for software updates. Install now. Great, it'll take 10 minutes to install it. So we'll leave this side and in the video. Let me know if you, I wanted to play some songs on this for you guys, but I don't think that's manageable because it's gonna get updated. But thank you for watching today. Actually, let's try an update. Let's try and play something. Okay, so that's pretty good.
House music.
All right, I think it's updating now. All right. Anyways, thank you for watching it to the end, guys. I know that it was a bit too short, but thank you so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate it. Please do subscribe, like, and share with other people. I am funding $3,000 just to bring this to you guys. That's out of my pocket. I'm not a big YouTuber. I don't get sponsors. I don't want sponsors, you know. And if you appreciate it, and if you're a returning Honest Straightforward Reviews person, then you know that I don't ask for anything. So if you appreciate my work, all you have to do is subscribe and like and share. That's all you have to do to make my work worth it. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care. Bye bye.